Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to name a Pokemon in Pokemon Go. To rename a Pokemon or to give a nickname to your Pokemon on Pokemon Go is super easy. Launch open the Pokemon Go application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account as well. From the homepage of Pokemon Go, tap on the Pokeball icon at the bottom of the screen. This will show up some of the menu on the display where you'll need to pick Pokemon at the bottom left. Now, from the list of Pokemons that you've caught, select the Pokemon you want to rename. I'm just gonna rename my Geodude, so let me tap on the Geodude. You can select any Pokemon you'd like to rename, and once you open up this page, tap on the little pencil icon right next to the current name for your Pokemon. Now enter the new name for your Pokemon and then tap on OK. After you do that, you will then be able to rename your Pokemon. The new name will now be displayed for your Pokemon as you can see it on my screen. You can rename your Pokemon as many times as you like. Naming your Pokemon can help you organize your Pokemon, such as adding tags for movesets or roles. So that is how you will be able to rename your Pokemon or name your Pokemon. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.